Imagine a day when numbers, stars, and the moon converge in a unique pattern, creating a powerful energy flow. January 25th, 2025 is not just a date, it is a portal that opens access to new opportunities. The first mirror day of the year, the completion of a rare parade of planets, and the coincidence with the 25th lunar day create an exceptional moment full of hidden signs and symbols. What kind of portal is this? The energy of the 25th lunar day symbolizes silence, deep reflection, and intuitive awareness. The mirroring of the date enhances this energy, opening up new horizons for us and allowing us to look deep into ourselves. All this is intertwined with the final energy of the parade of planets, which seems to put the final point in this cosmic process. But what is the secret of this date? Why does the energy of numbers, the moon, and the planets merge into such a unique synchronization? And how do you recognize her hidden messages in order to channel their power into your life? You will learn all this in our video. This day is not just a rare coincidence, but a chance to touch the energies that reveal the invisible. Be prepared. The universe opens its doors, and it depends only on you whether you enter or not. This is a unique day. January 25th, 2025 is not just a numbers game. This is a unique moment filled with symbolism and hidden messages. The first mirror date of the year does not come by chance. Its energy is enhanced by events unfolding in the sky, and this creates a powerful resonance between the cosmos and our inner world. In numerology, the number 25 is associated with profound changes, intuition, and the search for truth. It's like it's asking you to stop and listen to yourself. And the sum of the digits of this date, 8, carries the power of infinity, cyclicity, and internal balance. Together, these numbers not only symbolize, but literally demand change, clarification, and prioritization. But why are mirror dates considered energy portals? Their strength lies in their ability to focus on important moments in life. On such days, the universe seems to open a window, allowing you to look deeper. Mirror dates are not only numbers, they work as symbolic points of intersection, where coincidences of numbers enhance the influence of energies on our thoughts, emotions, and decisions. But how is this date unique? Firstly, its specularity coincides with the end of the parade of planets. This rare astronomical moment completes the cycle of planetary alignment, adding to the date a sense of completion and preparation for a new stage. Secondly, it is on this day that the energy of numbers and the moon is combined with the 25th lunar day, a time of silence, reflection, and heightened intuition. All this seems to invite you to slow down, let go of the hustle, and listen to the signs that are hidden behind everyday life. But how to understand and use it? The mirror date of January 25th is the day when each of your choices can have a stronger impact. This is the moment when you should ask yourself the right questions. What is really important to me? Where do I lose energy? What can I change now? Such dates are like a magnifying glass. They highlight weaknesses and at the same time provide an opportunity to fix them. This date is a portal for awareness, reassessment, and even reboot. But unlike normal days, it only works when you are ready to look into this energy mirror and see not only what pleases, but also what needs to be changed. January 25th, 2025 is not just a coincidence of numbers, it is a rare moment when the cosmic symphony of numbers, planets, and lunar energy converges into one chord. Whether you hear it is up to you. Lunar Day is the key to internal changes. On this day, the moon doesn't just walk its path, it seems to be whispering secret messages hidden in its cycle. Until noon on January 25th, we are under the influence of the 25th lunar day, which in itself is a rare time for deep inner immersion. Their energy is peace and quiet, but not the one that brings relaxation, but rather the one that makes you listen to yourself. These are the hours when the answers come not from the outside world, but from the depths of your consciousness. During this period, the moon seems to invite you to look into the mirror of your thoughts. Don't be surprised if you feel unaccustomed clarity this morning, or, on the contrary, encounter some inner discomfort. It's her energy that pushes her to analyze. It is during these hours that it is easiest to notice what prevents you from moving forward, whether it is doubts, fears, or unresolved issues. This is a time for reflection and an honest look at yourself. But at noon, the moon makes its transition. From the peace and quiet of the 25th lunar day, it enters the stormy waters of the 26th lunar day. And here, a completely different story begins. The energy changes dramatically. If the first half of the day creates a space for intuitive awareness, the second half warns, be careful. The moon at this moment requires us to be careful and conscious in our actions. The 26th lunar day carries a warning. Any mistake or an unconscious step can have consequences. It's like a moment when your every action resonates more strongly than usual. Do not give in to emotions or haste. The moon seems to be saying, slow down, look at what's going on around you, and be careful. However, this transition is not only a warning, but also an opportunity. It is in the afternoon that you can shed what has been weighing you down for a long time. Let go of the accumulated load and prepare for a new stage. The moon helps to clear the space, both external and internal, so that you can move on with ease and confidence. The energy of this day is unique precisely because of this contrast. Silence and awareness are replaced by a test of maturity and the ability to act consciously. Use these hours not only to hear yourself, but also to work out everything that prevents you from moving forward. The moon suggests that every action is important. Are you ready to hear it? The mirror date and the final chord of the parade of planets. January 25th is not only the first mirror day of the year, but also the final chord of the parade of planets, an event that in itself is the rarest phenomenon. Together, they create a powerful cosmic resonance that literally fills this day with energy. The parade of planets ends its journey on January 25th, leaving behind a sense of completion and transformation. At this moment, Mars, Venus, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune form an energy field that can be compared to the last note of a symphony, carrying the full force of the piece. Each planet brings its own energy. Mars, action; Venus, harmony; Jupiter, growth; Saturn, structure; Uranus, changes; Neptune, dreams. Their unification not only affects events in the world, but also our inner state. The mirrored date adds even more symbolism to this moment. The number 25 is associated with intuition, deep knowledge, and the ability to look into oneself. And the sum of the digits in the date, giving the number 8, symbolizes infinity, balance, and strength. The coincidence of these energies with the parade of planets turns this day into a point of awareness, when you can not only notice the hidden connections in your life, but also begin to rewrite your history. It is important to remember that mirrored dates always draw attention to those aspects that require changes. The conclusion of the parade of planets seems to reinforce this message, helping to reveal everything that is long overdue to let go. This is the moment when the cosmos says, it's time to close this cycle in order to open the door to a new one. Pay attention to those moments that especially attract your attention on this day. These may be unusual events, unexpected encounters, or sudden thoughts that seem to pop up out of nowhere. All these are the clues that the parade of planets leaves at its conclusion. They will help you understand what steps you need to take to move forward. The energy of this date makes it possible not only to realize your strengths and weaknesses, but also to use them for personal transformation. It's like looking into a mirror that shows not only your appearance, but also your inner world, suggesting where you need to change or add something. And remember, January 25th is not just a day of astronomical phenomena. It is a moment that can change a lot if you allow yourself to be open to change and listen to the signals of the universe. How to use the potential of this day. The energy of January 25th, 2025 is unique in its nature. This is not just a combination of a mirror date, the end of the parade of planets and lunar days, but a real moment of resonance when the inner world of each of us can tune in to the cosmic wave. This day requires awareness and a deep understanding of how to act in harmony with yourself and the world around you. Start with a simple but important step: becoming aware of your thoughts. This is a day when intuition is enhanced, and the answers to many questions that have long remained in the shadows may appear in the most unexpected ways. Try to slow down to pick up on these signals. Take time for silence and ask yourself the question, what do I really want to change in my life? The answers may be unexpected, but they will help determine your future path. The energy of the 25th lunar day before noon provides a unique opportunity for inner cleansing and reflection. Allow yourself to let go of things that no longer serve you, old grudges, unnecessary attachments, or habits that are holding back your growth. And then, when the moon passes into the 26th lunar day, it is important to be especially attentive to your actions and words. This is a time when impulsive decisions can turn into difficulties. Instead of sudden movements, focus on completing tasks that have been dragging on for a long time. This will create a sense of completion and prepare the space for new beginnings. The mirrored nature of this date also symbolizes the need to look inside yourself. Imagine that this day is a kind of mirror that reflects everything that is hidden in your inner world. Pay attention to the thoughts and emotions that come to you on this day. This is no accident. They can be clues to what you need to change or accept. Mirror dates seem to focus on what requires your awareness. Do not miss the unique opportunity to use the energy of numbers. The number 25 in numerology is associated with intuition, and the sum of the digits of this date, leading to the number 8, speaks of balance and infinity. This is a great moment to set priorities and direct energy to those areas that are really important for your development. Write down the ideas or solutions that come that day. They can be the starting point for long-term changes. It is important to remember that January 25th is not a day of chaos or haste, but a time of deep awareness and clarity. Your every word and action on this day resonates more strongly than usual, so be attentive to what you say and do. Use this day as an opportunity to tune into harmony with yourself, the universe, and open the doors to new possibilities. January 25th, 2025 is a unique moment in which the energy of mirror numbers, lunar days, and the end of the parade of planets are intertwined. This is not a day of accidents, but of opportunities, when the universe seems to open the veil and invites everyone to look deeper into their inner world. Pay attention to what you feel, what you notice around you. Use this day not for fuss, but for awareness and prioritization. The parade of planets will end, but its resonance will accompany you for a long time if you are ready to let this energy into your life. To miss this moment is to miss not just a day, but a whole opportunity to rethink your direction. The universe is already sending its signals. The main thing is to hear them.